Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're an adventurer who needs a watch that keeps up with your runs, hikes, swims, and everything in between, but hates charging every day or settling for basic trackers that miss the mark, then strap in because today we're exploring a wrist-worn powerhouse that's redefining multisport tech. I'm talking about the Garmin fēnix 8 Solar. This premium GPS watch uses solar charging for epic battery life, packs an AMOLED display for vibrant maps, and delivers advanced metrics for training like a pro. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your workouts smarter, your adventures safer, and your daily life more connected without missing a beat. Let's break it down and see why this watch is leading the pack in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin fēnix 8 Solar. This isn't your average fitness tracker. It's Garmin's flagship multi-sport GPS watch. Designed for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts with a rugged 51mm titanium case that's built to withstand extremes. Rated for 10 ATM water resistance and military standards for thermal, shock, and water. The standout is the solar charging lens that extends battery life up to 48 days in smartwatch mode or 120 hours in GPS mode with sufficient sunlight. Perfect for long expeditions without outlets. The 1.4-inch AMOLED display is bright and colourful with always-on capability, showing detailed topo maps, navigation routes, and stats at a glance. It has multi-band GPS for accurate tracking in challenging environments and built-in sensors for heart rate, pulse ox, sleep monitoring, stress tracking, and body battery energy levels. For training, it offers advanced metrics like endurance score, hill score, strength training plans, and daily suggested workouts based on your recovery and performance. The watch has a speaker and mic for taking calls and using voice assistants, music storage for offline playback, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and smart notifications for texts and apps. The button and touchscreen interface is intuitive, with customizable data fields, and it supports over 30 sports modes, from running to skiing to golf. The Solar model adds that extra battery boost, and it's compatible with the Garmin Connect app for detailed analysis and community challenges. Setup is easy. Charge it, pair to your phone via Bluetooth, customize your profiles, and you're ready to go. Priced around $999, it's a premium investment with pro-level features that justify the cost for serious users. Versatility is massive. Track runs with pace alerts, navigate hikes with turn-by-turn directions, monitor health with sleep insights, or even use it for everyday smartwatch functions like weather and calendar. The solar charging shines for multi-day adventures, and the AMOLED makes viewing easy in any light. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are enormous. The solar battery life means weeks without charging. The AMOLED display is sharp and vibrant for maps and stats. Advanced metrics like endurance score help optimize training, and users love the durability that handles tough conditions without issues. The speaker and mic add convenience for calls, music storage keeps you motivated, and Garmin Pay is handy for runs without your wallet. It's accurate for GPS, the app is robust for data, and the build feels premium. But no watch is perfect. The main con is the price. At $999, it's expensive for casual users. The large 51mm size might feel bulky on smaller wrists. Some note the touchscreen can be finicky with gloves or sweat, and while feature-packed, it has a learning curve for new users. Overall, pros dominate for dedicated athletes. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Garmin fēnix 8 Solar if you want a do-it-all multi-sport watch with an unbeatable battery. The pros like solar power, advanced training, and durability make total sense for runners, hikers, triathletes, or anyone pushing limits. It's not just a watch, it's your adventure companion for peak performance. Before we wrap, if these reviews track your interest, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.